Hey guys, it's Dee. I'm back today to show you guys a small estate haul that I have. I stopped by this estate haul yesterday and I found a couple of things that I could craft with and also some things that I could possibly sell. I sell on eBay, so I pick up things, multiples of things, so that I could probably craft some, and if it doesn't work out I could just go ahead and sell it. So I'll get started. The first thing I have is this baby bottle. It looks like it's brand new. It still has the paper in it. It says Sears Infant Shop. I tried to look for a date, but it didn't have a date. This top comes off and the nipple is still there. And I went ahead and picked up, let's see, they had 5 of them. And they were all 50 cents each, so I was thinking of maybe doing a baby girl box and a baby boy box, and then maybe selling the rest of them. I had an idea about using the bottles. I have some glass bead garland for Christmas time for decorating. I thought maybe I could fill it up with the blue for the boy and the pink for the girl, as part of the decoration for the box that I'm planning on doing. So that's that. The next thing I found were these pencils. I thought maybe I could use these in a school themed box, but if not, maybe I could try to sell them. I think all of them are in here. Here are all the colors. They seem like they haven't been used or used minimally. So there they are. The next thing I got is one of these Dymo label makers. I'm not sure when this is from, but the number on it is 1720. And I happened to find a refill that goes with it too, so I may try to sell these. They were $1 a piece. I'm not sure what they're going for. I haven't checked, but seems to be working well. I used to use these a lot quite some time ago, but I have like a digital one now. But I kind of like the retro look of these still. And then I found this bag, a Ziploc bag of old pictures, and they were $3. So I looked at them quickly and I thought maybe I could use some of them for crafting, so I just went ahead and picked it up. I really liked this image here. I thought maybe that could be in a Christmas box in the background. That looked really cool. And then there's some just random scenery ones. Let's see if I can find another one. I liked this with a building and a car in front of it. I liked that image. And then I haven't had a chance to look through all of them yet, but I may try to craft with them, or maybe keep them and pass them on to some other people who would like to craft with them as well. I kind of liked this one here. I think it's a boat, the sails of a boat, possibly. So that's that. There's a whole bunch of them. Here's another one. And then I got this bag here for $3. It had some Christmas themed books. I just love the images on this, and I thought maybe I could either display them during Christmas time or even craft with that. I really like the choir boys here in the front. This is what it looks like on the inside. I wonder if there's a date, maybe. I don't see a date. But I've been looking for music sheets, so I could possibly use these in a box, or maybe, I don't know, if I can't bring myself to cut them apart, maybe I will just keep it to display. Here's another one. Looks like there's a whole series of these. God made the world. How the animals got their names. And it says St. Cecilia School. I think the estate sale that I went to was close by here. I'm not sure if you guys can hear, but it just started pouring down, so I'm sorry about that. I hope it's not too loud. The Story of Christmas. This is dated, let's see, 67. And this is what the inside looks like. I like this Santa here in the workshop. Oops. And then we have this one here. This is, let's see, 67 as well. Oh, it looks like someone already cut out a piece here. Alright, so the last stack of things that I got were these, whoops, recipe books. So the first one is this. It says Sparkling Hospitality. I really like the images on here, so you know, I'm thinking for crafting I could use, I like this one on the very front here. I thought that could really look nice in a box. It's dated 1965. And then we have this one. Let's see if this one's dated. I don't see a date on this. But here are some recipes and some pictures. Ice cream, truffles. So, and here's the back. There's this one. Come to our barbecue. This one is 1961. That image is really cool too. We have this one, What to Eat and Why. That might be an interesting read. This one is 1955. John Hancock Mutual Life Insurance Company. Okay. The 7 Basic Foods. Here we go, Sunbeam Mixmaster. Let's see if there's a date. 1950. That one's cool with the waffles. I really like this one with the cookies, and it says Cookies Galore. I've been thinking about making a baking box as well. I have quite a few boxes lined up, so I should get started on that. So I think this image with, you know, the wordings here would be perfect for the box. And then we have this one for a pressure cooker. I think I paid, for all of these books, I think I paid $6. So I thought that was a good deal. I could either, you know, sell some of them if I don't end up using them. 1966. I try to get a couple of things that I can sell to make my money back when I'm at these estate sales. I really like this image here in the front. I'm definitely probably going to craft with this image here, and I kind of drawn to metallics. Carnation barbecue burgers. That's interesting. Frosty Eskimo squirtsicles. I like looking at some of these recipes because it's definitely different from how we cook now and what we do with food. So and that's the back. Just a couple more here. A Betty Crocker one. That chocolate cake looks good. And then we have this small one here. Delicious Snacks Quick Meals. Gel Cookery Recipe Book. I guess it's things that you can use with gelatin. I like this Jello there. 35 cool drink recipes. I thought this would look cool on our bar with all these different cocktails. That's the back. And this last one here is Barmaid, another bar themed one. Let's see, 1963. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this haul. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought about the things. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.